morning, 7th class children. Have a nice day, Nana. All of you open your English textbook, page number 7. So here bits are there, Nana. You see here. Choose the best answer from the choices given to complete each sentence. So we have to select the choice. First one, the town mouse and the country mouse are dash. Friends, cousins, classmates. What are they? They are cousins. That is B. The house of the town mouse was. Where the town mouse used to stay? You know, no. That is a field in a village, a building in a village, a kitchen cupboard in a town. So where he will stay? A kitchen cupboard in a town. The house of the town mouse was. So town mouse house, how it is? Full of most delicious food, full of sugar canes and roots, full of coconut water. So how the house of town mouse was? It was full of delicious food. At the end of the story, the country mouse went back to his country, stayed in the town, visited the town mouse. At the end of the country, what he did? Where he went? He went to his country. Okay, Nana? Now come next. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the wrong statements. The country mouse lives in a town. Country mouse, where he stayed? He stayed in a town. So that is false. The town mouse felt very comfortable in the train. Yes, when town mouse was going in a train, he felt very comfortable or not? No. So that is also false. It was hot when the town mouse traveled to the countryside. Yes, it is true. In the cities, you will find lot of pollution. The town mouse like to eat cooked food. Yes, town mouse like to eat cooked food. Yes, it is correct. There are more lights, cars and lorries in the town than in the village. Yes, in the town only we can find lot of lorries, cars, vehicles, scooters. Like that you can find. Whereas in village you can't find much facilities. So now come to vocabulary. The following sentences are from your lesson. So here they have taken some sentences from the lesson. You have to choose it and you have to correct it. He asked me to spend a week in the countryside. So what is the meaning of the countryside here? A land outside towns and cities with fields, woods, etc. Here they have underlined the word and the meanings have been given down. You have to see and you have to write down these meanings. These meanings are already in your textbook. Turn the page, Nana. Page number 8. Fill in the blanks using appropriated phrases given below. So there you can see, you can find box. In the box you can find words. That words you have to fill in the blanks. What it is? Ram Babu started his journey to his grandfather's village in Warangal district. So there is one boy. What is his name? His name is Ram Babu. Where he is going? He is going from his grandfather's village to Warangal district. He caught a train to reach the village. So from village what he did? He caught a train and he wanted to reach the village. The train arrived at the station. At that time he was hungry and thirsty. So till he reached the railway station, he was feeling lot of hunger and thirsty. As soon as he dashed the train, as soon as he see there, got off the train, he wanted to drink and eat something. So he looked around but found nothing to eat or drink. So what happened, it seems, as far as he came down from the train, he was searching. What he was searching? He was searching for food and water. He started walking towards his grandfather's house. So what he did? He did not find anything. So what he started? Again he started to go to his grandfather's house. On the way he found a shop which was dash cool drinks. What you have write in the dash? You can see in the box full of cool drinks. He had plenty of money, so bought a cool drink and a piece of bread. Since this boy is in 7th class, no. If you want to go somewhere, parents will give money or not? Like that, with that money, he bought piece of bread. So now next comes column. It is like a match the following. You have to form a word and you have to write it here. What is first one? Birthday, door, bell, firewood, handkerchief, moonlight, motorcycle, sunshine, gateway. Like that you have to match it, and here you have to write all the words, complete word. Now let us go to grammar. In grammar today we are going to learn degrees of comparison. Okay, Nana? Do you know what is degrees of comparison? It is always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is quietest among all the villages in our district. So how you have to see degrees of comparison is of 3. What are they? Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. In positive degree it will be a words. In comparative you have to add ER. For example, if it is small, in comparative what you have to write? Small is a positive degree. In comparative you have to write smaller. In superlative what you have to write? Smallest. Here ER you have to add and here EST you have to add. So that is known as, for example, here rich is there. What is comparative? What you will write in comparative degree? Richer. What you will write in superlative degree? Richest. So degrees are of how many types? 3. What are they? Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Okay, Nana? Whenever you write comparative, you have to add ER. Whenever you write superlative, you have to add EST. Tall. Tall comes under positive degree. What is comparative degree of tall? That is taller. ER you have to add. What is the superlative degree? Tallest. Okay? So like that, I hope you all understood this. You have to fill this. Okay, Nana? Turn the page. Words with 2 or more syllables take more and most respectively in comparative degree and superlative degree. More we will be using in comparative, most will be using in superlative. Okay, Nana? So here see beautiful. In positive degree they have given the word beautiful. What you will write in comparative there? More beautiful. What you will write? You will write in superlative? Most beautiful. Okay? Now next, interested. Second positive degree is interested. What is comparative there? More interested. And what is superlative there? Most interested. I hope you all are understanding. Now next, precious. Precious is which degree? If I ask in exam, you have to answer it. Precious, it comes under positive degree. What is the comparative degree of precious? That is more precious. What is the superlative of precious? That is most precious. Okay, Nana? So you have to write some more examples in your homework book. Take a photo and send me back. It should be by your own. You should not take help of any of your friend. You think and you write. If you listen the class carefully, you will understand everything. Okay, Nana? Till now, what bits I have said you, again you have to read once. Comparative, superlative, positive. Degrees are of how many? 3. What are they? Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. What you will use in comparative? You will use ER, more. What you will use in superlative? You will use most. Okay? With this you can find number of examples by your own. Thank you. Have a nice day.